Okay, I gotta go. So get on this call for me and I'll see you there and then we'll do a call right after this Zoom. Okay, perfect. Appreciate you. Yep. You'll love it. Thank you. Bye.
For those of you coming in, thank you so much for being here. We're just going to give it a little longer just to go ahead and let the people come in, and we'll go from there.
Alex, good morning.
Morning, morning. Is that Anthony out there?
You know it, brother. How you doing?
Hey, how's it going, boss? I'm doing good. Good to hear your voice, man. I love that energy you always bring.
I can't.
Order
I hit my head on a
submitted.
sprinkler when I was younger playing tag in the sixth grade. It rocked my world. I've been
That's what
psychotic
did it for
ever
you.
since. I
That's what
appreciate
did
you.
it for you,
Order
huh?
canceled.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you guys for being here. We're just going to give it a couple more minutes just to let the last couple of people join, and then we'll get started, guys. Thank you for being here.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the 8 o'clock class. Just give me 1 minute. Let me grab my other laptop. Alex, can you allow me to share my screen? Thank you. In the meantime, give me 1 minute, guys.
Buddy, let me call you back. I'm on a Zoom for the FX3. Yeah, so I'll call you back. We'll be in Vegas and we'll set up all the meetings in the middle of the month till the end. I'll be out there for a week. Yeah, okay. No. We got a ton of people coming, so you'll love it. Yeah, okay. Let me go. Okay, I'll talk to you. I'll call you after, and then I'll run through everything with you, and then we'll set it up. Okay, bye. Oh yeah, Henry, there's the magic.
Morning, guys.
Hey, buddy.
I have to get my other computer from downstairs, and so I can look at my screen, look at the Zoom screen as well. All right, it's 8:10 right now. Again, welcome to the Future3X family, to this review classes, and where we can learn, study, and discuss ideas. Possibly, if we see any chance to trade, we can take some trade. Other than that, I hope you have a good morning. Everybody should be making money this morning. And last night I went to sleep late, actually, around 3. And then I put my buy order on this. and I make some money. I wake up, I make some money because I knew this thing is gonna go to the buy side last night. So I make small money. And when I wake up this morning, I say, wow, look at this. This is unbelievable move. Other than that, I hope you all make money this morning from 6:30 Zoom call. And other than that, welcome everybody. Let me see who is here. We have Anthony, Saul, Brad, Jordan, Mark, and that's all I can see here, Maximum. Mike, Roger here, San is here. Okay, guys. Right now, the move has from this 6:30 o'clock, it's already 6:30 right here. And 3 o'clock last night, I saw this buy here. I saw this one close. I put a little buy here. I put the take profit right below this blue line. So that's what I did. Knowing this morning, look at this. It's unbelievable. It's hitting 3, 4 Fibonacci line, and this is it's a high resistance line right now. The top. This is a resistance line. So let me see. Yeah, if you look at your 60 minutes chart in your computer, it's already almost hitting all-time high. Right now it's sitting at 13,106. The all-time high is 13,163. So I'm pretty sure this will be kind of doing some sideways move here for some times before it's going to hit the next high. The next high, which is the 13,163. Yeah. So it's gonna do some move here. It probably happened today to hit all-time high. But the trend is definitely up. Since when did I say that? Last week I said this is gonna definitely is gonna go up continuously until they hit the all-time high. Yeah, the next all-time high will be, yeah, right there. And then the next high will be 13,300, almost 13,300. That will be the next all-time high there this year. Yep. All right. We just sit and relax here, waiting for things to happen. As you can see, this one is, this is the Fibonacci level here. It's starting from this Fibonacci, so it's doing 100% right now, 100% from 0 Fibonacci level. This is a 50 Fibonacci level. This will be 61. So this is going to be 100 Fibonacci. Usually this one will retrace back to 23, possibly to this line right here before continue to go to the top again. Or it might be just continue straight like this. We never know. Yeah. Okay, guys. That's my review this morning. and I should be ready for QA this morning because it is very self-explanatory here.
Yeah,
And
Henry, the more I look at this is my second look at this. It looks like it's a couple of looks and you can absolutely see how you're doing this. So it's pretty
it is actually very little to explain, Anthony.
right. I know. So you're looking at the yellow one on the bottom. You're looking at the purple. My colors are off in my
Yeah.
eyes. And then you're looking at the green arrow with the next indicator after that, the buy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Basically, it's very little to explain because I put everything together here. You'll just wait and take action.
Right. It's just yeah, I'm lining them up, guys, man. I'm excited for when this thing pops. So we got trips planned into Hawaii, Vegas, everywhere for this next month. So very cool.
Because this is what I'm trying to do. You know, a lot of people out there, they just give you candles. They don't give you specific things. And I like to have everything is clear view. And actually, let's say I'm not able to come to the class 8 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
And then if I give you a blank chart, and you guys won't be able to do anything, right?
Right.
But let's say I have an emergency. I gotta go get some milk for my kids, you know?
Yeah.
This is like 8 o'clock in the morning and my kids are hungry for milk. I can just leave the chart on. You guys can see, you guys can take action. Nothing behind me needed.
Right. You're right. We can do trainings. Whoever certified can do trainings whenever throughout the week, whatever the timings are. But absolutely, you could turn this sucker on anytime during the market.
Exactly. Yeah.
However, you guys however the boss and the corporate decides to roll this out. So
yeah.
Really cool.
Yeah. So we can just schedule it to turn on, let's say 8 o'clock to 10 every day. I leave it on, and when the Zoom expire in 2 hours, then this thing is over.
And then maybe, and I don't know, I'm only doing strategy in my head to build this thing big here soon, right? So I'm thinking, and then maybe you do a couple sessions a day or have somebody else come in if you're busy or whatever and turn this thing on. So whatever works. Yeah. So whatever makes sense.
This is, like I said, this is very little to explain. All I need to do is every day, maybe I want to make sure your screen is mimicking what you see on the Zoom call, and which is what everybody have right now. So what it is 8 o'clock in the morning, I turn my Zoom on, share my screen, you guys look at it. When you see this buy signal, you wait for the next blue, you enter.
Yep.
You enter, and then you stay here, and as long as this thing stay green and pointing up, you stay in there. But when you see it starting curving like this, you get out. See, like this, it's pointing up. You see it's curving, you get out.
Yeah, my second time seeing this, it's very easy to see what's happening now. That's cool. Good.
Yeah. And we are the only one that has this kind of thing out there.
Oh, really? Okay, so cool. I haven't done, I don't know. Yeah, awesome. That's really good that we're one of a kind. So,
yeah.
Hey, Henry, that other thing you put into the group, I won't mention it right now. And if you tell me we shouldn't talk about it right now, then we won't. So, but I'm excited about that. So, as well.
Well, the boss is putting a lot of thought for stuff like that, but I have more stuff to add on in the future.
Order filled.
In the future, we will be like, you don't have to open your screen. You can just do whatever. You go activities, and then I'm in the process of buying software.
Yep.
This software, it will alert me in my phone without looking at the screen. It alerts me if certain criteria met.
Nice. That's what I knew you would be working on stuff like that.
And
Nice,
then
brother.
when the alert comes, I look at my criteria and my computer in my cell phone. I say, oh, this thing's pointing up. This thing is above 200 moving average. And this thing just crossed the 21 moving average. And it's above my trend channel green line here.
Mhm.
And then if I see everything aligned, I'll take it.
Yeah, right. So you could be going for milk, get to the store. Exactly. You could be doing your life and then get the alert and then boom, try to get back to it. Right. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing some kind of trial on it, and I kind of like it. So I'm gonna study more about it, but that's definitely what I'm gonna implement here. So what I have in mind down the road when company decided to use it, we're gonna start utilizing it. So we all could do whatever you want to do, and then when the alert comes, and then you check out your screen, wow, this is it, and then you enter it, and then
Brilliant.
take your profit as you see fit.
Yeah, that's brilliant. I love it. Thank you so much, Henry, for all your hard work and everything, man. It's awesome, brother.
Yeah. I'm excited, guys.
Me
So
too.
right
I'm so
now,
excited. It's hard for
we
me
do nothing
to
because this thing like is gonna go down for in the next few hours. Gonna go down. It will hit this line maybe, and then if it hit this, it bounce from this red line. See right now, you look at it, it's telling me it's gonna go signal here. But so just now, just wait. We are not gonna we are not taking any sale here because the trend is up. So we only trade according to the trend. Trend is your friend. That's what they said.
I'm gonna remember that.
All right. Thanks,
Yeah,
Anthony.
so Henry, this is Sean. I was just thinking,
Hey, son. Good morning, sir. How are you?
hey, how good? How you doing?
Good. You're gonna go into Hawaii soon, huh? On the
Yeah,
7th?
in a month, 1 month.
Oh, in May. I'm sorry. Yeah, in May. It's not here.
Yeah, man. Sorry, I'm kind of been busy right now. I've been trying to finish a course that I'm taking, so I'm gonna kind of be in and out these sessions for a little bit. But you know, I still got a feeling this market is going to do what you said. It's going to go. It's gotta turn around and come back at some point. Because you're right. I mean, I was looking at the last since March 18th, and we're hitting the all-time high almost.
Yeah.
But you think it's going to come down again today? That's a bit. I'm thinking it's got to. I don't know if it's going to keep pushing up. It's hitting a
See the
really
high,
hard resistance point right now.
Yeah. The previous high is
It's around 13,295.
yeah, this is the last high. I think this is the high, 13,290.
Yeah, March. Yeah, right.
Yeah, in March
March
2000.
March
This
18th.
hits the whole-time high. So the next high, this thing, look at this. This is well, this is right here. It hits 13,128 today.
I think if it passes 13,170, it could go up to.
Well, this one is it's almost hitting the previous all-time high.
Yeah.
And then after that, it will hit
153.
Yeah. But what happened is, whenever you hit this all-time high, it will always go back to 50 or 65.
Yeah.
61.
So I have mine on a 60-minute chart. So if you look back on like March 16th, it hits this all-time that spot, and then and the next few days it's
whenever
down.
it hits a certain high point, it always retraces it to 50 Fibonacci, and it bounced for sure at 61.8 Fibonacci and continue on. But we are in a different era, my friend. We are in a different era with the political people that this thing is going up, but a lot of people, these people that are trading, they think it's going to crash. because the economy is not supporting what the stock market's reports are explaining every day.
Exactly. Yeah.
So I mean, this thing is a scary market. When it's a normal thing, people in the office and then they have the track record on bringing the economy. This is for sure is going to continue to hitting all-time high, hitting all high.
Yeah,
But right now,
eventually
don't
it's going
know.
to.
This thing could crash tomorrow. Any event tomorrow will crash this thing all the way
Yeah.
down to recession.
I
That's
think
how
this.
scary it is right now.
I think for the next day, it's going to stay within 100 points or so. If you look back at like March 23rd and stuff, you see that M pattern on the
Yeah.
60-minute chart. It's just about 100 points or so. I think
Yeah.
that's what it's probably going to do right now.
Yeah.
You know, for the next 12 hours, 24 hours.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, but when you look
copy
at here, when you look at my cursor here, you follow there. This is a buy trend. You see,
Yeah.
right? It's a
Yeah,
buy
yeah.
trend.
Overall, going to be like that, but
Yeah.
yeah.
If anything, if nothing major happen, I think it will hit this here sometime next week.
Yeah, that's the part I was looking at. You know that.
Yeah, this week. Yeah.
Yeah.
It will do its dancing thing, but this is going to be the next target. And after this one, it will go down again to all the way to about here. You know, and then continue.
Hey, by the way, I have another question. I had to rebuild my charts from scratch. I was looking for that percentage that you used to have at the top right corner. I didn't see
Oh.
that. What was that called again?
It's under indicator,
Yeah. I looked like 4 times. I was like,
and then it was let me see, let me find it myself. It's under net change display. It's net change display.
oh man, I don't know how I overlooked that. Let me see if I.
Yeah, it's under the last
I
the
got
last
it. I see. Yeah.
on the end.
Yeah. Do you know how to get the all the tags at the top of the chart to remove that? I've been trying to do that.
All the what?
You know, at the top of the chart,
Mm-hmm.
you have whatever like instruments that you have, or um, if you have any indicators, it displays it at the top.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to get rid of that. I don't want it on there.
All this wording right there.
Yeah, the very top left corner, top left.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, mine's all cluttered with words, and
Yeah.
if you change the
If
color
you
to
have a
match,
lot of them in there, you go second line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. That's why I'm start removing a lot of stuff. I just want the basic in there because too much information there is like it confuse you. It confuse me. That's why I like to take out a lot of stuff in my computer. And plus we have this system right now. You can just watch it and actually be see, we just.
Yeah, that's a good point. I'm not as smart as you guys are. I like to keep that what you have right there.
Yeah, see,
simple.
actually, it's very
yeah,
simple.
that's
I only
my
have one moving
preference is to
average
kind of
here.
overload with
Yeah,
data
I only
versus-
have one moving average here, 21, and momentum. That's it, and the rest is already built-in indicator.
Yeah, when I'm trading with you guys, it's one thing. When I'm by myself, man, the more things I can look at, the better. So I have a couple windows open with with some indicators on it. Just
yeah.
I don't trust it as much when I'm just by myself.
Yeah. See, as you while you do that, while you talking, look at this. Momentum is pointing up.
Yeah, switching.
Momentum is up, and this is retesting the 21 moving average right now. And this candle has to be engulfing 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. And I want this candle close above this resistant support line. I want this to be here. I want it be, went above it. It went back and retested, just like this one here. Just like let's say here, this blue line, it went above it, retest it, and take off. Look at this, a bicycle is
Actually, I
there.
mean, I've actually been in on this trade right now, and I'm up like 5 points.
Yeah, look at this. This right now is
Yeah.
retest. It's done. Is retest. Now I have this arrow
I'm
indicator,
kind of with you. I still think it's going to go up a little bit before it
and
starts
then there's a
dropping.
buy signal here, but I'm not gonna buy yet
Yeah.
because it's so close to the support line. I want this candle to break it and have a solid blue candle above it, retest this line, we're gonna enter it again. The buy signal is there already, so we just wanna go find a solid blue candles above this line, just like this one. You know, we don't need, the buy signal is already there. We just need a big arrow after somewhere in here, and then you guys can take a buy, assuming the momentum is pointing up.
Yeah, sometime today, though, I think it's probably going to come down a bit, but it's hard to say. It might be sideways, like you said, for a while.
See right now, look at this, okay? Look at this. It's playing around this line. Just as you see here, it's playing around the line for a long time right here before it goes before take off.
Yeah,
So what happened though, in a bullish market, let's say starting from here, okay, it will take a push and you break the zone, and then boom, took off. Right now, it's kind of, oh, I'm tired of climbing the stairs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a breathe. Oh, I'm gonna take a breathe and reloading the energy, and then boom, big move again. And that's exactly what he's doing here. It's like relax, taking a little breathe, and get everybody ready. And if you don't have any system right now, be selling, and then these people, the hedge fund, the banks, okay, they think it's selling, everybody's selling, and an hour later, boom, take out the stop loss. So you gotta be careful with this and pay attention to previous activity. This is previous, you know. Look at this. The recent activity is a move, and it's zigzagging right here, and then it's a move, and then doing the zigzagging again right here. So a lot of people right now are thinking, oh, this is it. It's sell, sell, sell. They're gonna take a sell position right now. They're gonna be profit a little bit, but soon, and then all these hedge fund people, the banks, okay, a lot of people are putting selling. Let's pump this again. Like take it to the top, and a lot of people will lose money right here. Yeah, so that's how they play. See the momentum, it was a minute to go up. Now it's pointing down again. That it's gonna go down. I see the buy signal earlier, but look, it disappeared because this green line is actually red right here, if you can see it. So this red line right now is supposed to be, it was green like this. It kind of making a flat move right now, like this, flat move. It's supposed to switch green again. You know, you will see a little green develop, and this you will see clear, and you will see this 21 moving average goes beyond it, below it, and then the buy signal is there, the arrow to buy is there, and then we'll take it. This will happen, I think, sometimes in the good hour or so, sometime. This is gonna go down for a minute. I think this one will go to hit this. This is 70. From the bottom, this will be a 72 Fibonacci line. I think 71, 72. I forgot. Yeah. So.
Yeah, I don't like it when it's doing this, you know, doing that sideways movement for this long.
And then.
For a long time.
And then when you see this, actually, you guys actually went. I mean, this line helped me a lot. This line helped me a lot. That's the reasons why I like this line. I know this candle will gonna be playing, bouncing up and down around the line. So let's say 8 o'clock, whatever time you have right now. This thing is around the line. I still have time to do my other stuff, you know, take the kids to school, back to school, whatever, you know.
Which line is that, Henry? Which one are you talking about?
Any of this line.
Oh, the
Whenever
whole system.
You see these candles dancing around this line, between the line, and it's gonna be like that for a good hour or two. So you don't have to stare at the chart. You can just do whatever activity you want to do.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. No, you can figure out the timings and everything. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, Sean, brother. I just
no, you didn't.
Yeah. And then other See, and it's color coded too. So so it's very easy to do it. And then say, nah, I don't wanna stare at this. I can just go and check it back in 30 minutes, 1 hour, and then you don't have to be glued to the computer all the time.
That's true. That's right. Hey,
And
I
then
got a question.
with the
Oops.
alert that is I'm testing. I mean, you don't have to be on a computer. You just wait for that thing to ding ding you on your phone and check it.
I know that sounds so cool. We are really, I'm excited where we're at, man. I
Yeah.
love being at the beginning of these things. Real quick, what is are you going to do one of these this weekend? Henry, I got some big hitters that I want to see this, and they can't do it now, but or maybe I can schedule a private with you at some point this weekend or something in the next.
Well, text me or what do you want to do?
Okay, I will. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
If you want to do live, Sunday's a good day. Sunday afternoon, it's when the market opens up again.
No, actually, we don't want to do anything on Sunday.
Yeah, you can do a what you call analysis.
Yeah, because look at this. I learned this big time. In the beginning, everybody, they're looking forward to the day that this chart is open, right? This market is open. Friday, 3 o'clock, the chart is froze. And then I can't wait till the chart's to be open. I can't wait till the chart's open, And then Sunday come 3 o'clock, they immediately go to the computer and start trading.
And, it's open on Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday around 3 or 4 o'clock California time. That's where Tokyo open.
Yeah, because Tokyo is the day ahead of us.
Yeah, but what happened is,
okay.
Look at this. We are trading U.S. entity. How can you trade U.S. entity in Asia and U.S. market is closed?
Right.
So that's why a lot of people trade on Sunday. Well, they might find sometimes they win, but no, we're not going to touch anything on Sunday.
Yeah, it moves very slowly.
Very slow. It's manipulative over there, So we don't want to do that. So we don't do. But Sunday will be trading. I mean, motivation and study the chart and making prediction and stuff like that. And that's what a lot of professional traders there that have some classes, paid classes, and then they go to the charts. They draw the chart and they make projection, they make lines, this and that. This is what they think. This is what they're gonna do. And most of the time they are right, they're accurate, but they don't enter on Sunday. They don't enter on Sunday. Even Asian, look at this. Even Asian market rely on U.S. market to open. So why U.S. people want to trade on Asian session? Stuff like that.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, you guys, if you want to do some, actually, I kind of like Sunday, so we can project the expectation for the whole week. And then we're just going to look for that setup for the whole week, because the setup comes different time of the hours, right? As long as the New York open, it can happen anytime from 9:30 there until 3 o'clock Eastern time. So yeah, if you guys want to do that analysis on Sunday, so every day we'll just review for what we analyze on Sunday, and then it's going to be super simple.
I mean, I'll commit to Sunday, but a lot of people can't, or that's,
hey, that's fine. That's fine.
You know what I mean? So I don't want to talk for everybody, and I don't know what
look,
my team.
In this business, when I joined this, I always attend the class because I think I needed it. That's why I paid some courses. I mean, I have to attend the classes. So a lot of people they pay the classes and they don't attend the classes. So for me, I even until to this day, I'm still part of the group that I'm going to study classes every um, every Tuesday and Thursday. I was part of this group that we study together and talk together, give out suggestion and this and that. I'm constantly studying for this big time guru that is like sharing their ideas. But a lot of people pay hundreds of dollars doing some courses and they never attend. They expect magic. It's not going to happen. So even though you say maybe one or two people attending on Sunday, hey, fine. There's two or three people that is attending Sunday is gonna make it big in their career, in this trading career, because they're gonna take a note, paying attention, putting this together, and have some idea what they're gonna do, and they're gonna implement it on their chart, and they're gonna be successful.
Oh yeah, and then on the other side, absolutely. I mean, I don't one, two, 10 people, 5 people, whatever. I mean, the word will get out as well. You know, they're training on Sunday. You know, got to see it, all that kind of stuff. So
Yeah.
a couple people's fine. You work with who shows up, and we've got something special here. It will grow. It will grab attention.
Yeah.
So
I mean,
yeah.
we just need 10 people that is fired up, and then that's it.
Hell yeah. Then we just take over the whole world. It's
Yeah,
all
we
good.
just need 10 people that is fired up like you, Anthony. And then can you imagine we have 10 people that is like doing Zoom every hours, every minute, and they recruiting left and right every day. That's all we need, 10 people.
Oh yeah. We got them. I just I can't wait till we release this thing. So yeah, we'll load them up. We're ready. It's awesome.
Yeah.
I appreciate you, Sean, the corporate, everybody here, the affiliate, all of it. I'm excited. I love being at the beginning of something with people I trust, and then also we've got builders here, so we'll move this thing with you guys leading the way. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, the boss says he's going to release something in April, so let's see.
I know.
It's tomorrow. That's tomorrow.
I know, dude. I know. It's freaking me out. You know how hyper I am. I'm taking extra CBD throughout the day just to calm down and relax. I don't want to spill the beans and start talking about stuff until he releases it, and then I can start doing it for the masses. You know what I mean? And start really going for it. So
yeah. We will see. I'm excited to hear what he's gonna say. How it is, what it is, and how can we implement it, stuff like that.
Yeah, and I want to start filing them into the San Diego office, right? You know, start loading that thing up too, live.
Where do you live now, Anthony? In Vegas or here?
I'm in Irvine. I got a place in Vegas. I'm in Irvine, in Portola Springs, where the fire was.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm right here by the mountains, kind of Sand Canyon, and then you go down. So I'm all over the place. I'm always traveling. Probably be in Hawaii soon. Just kind of setting things up, getting ready to build this thing. Getting the people set up, getting them ready for when we really get this thing going and just load them up and go. So yeah.
So the thing about our system is, that's why I always said one micro. Let's say, go back to the screen. One micro. Let's say you buy here. So you buy, and then this candle. Okay. This one close about the purple. I should enter it here. I can get out right here on the green and be done for today. That's like $50, right?
Yep.
$50 a day, that's $1,000 a month extra.
Oh, it's life-changing for most of the world. Yeah.
So I never shoot to get rich immediately. No, you're gonna get a lot of money here, but this is what's going to drive people nuts. Oh man, I could have stayed. Look how much money I'm gonna get. See, that's the thing. See, in here, in our business, we're gonna make $20, $50 a day. Because look, in my system, let me see. There are so many type of people that are trader, yeah? Let me see what I'm gonna find. I'm gonna point you to something that right here. Okay, right here. If you look below this green, there's a buy signal here. Can you see it now?
Yep.
Okay. some people will be aggressive. As soon as they saw that one, they took it. There's nothing wrong with it because it's above the green line and it's solid green. Boom, it took it, right?
Yep.
That will be an aggressive trader. I won't do that, right? I won't do that. I want to be a safe trader. Confirm. It is from here, momentum wise is confirmed. Candle wise, confirmed. Arrow wise, confirmed. And if you're being aggressive, you can enter this, but that's not what I teach. I don't want to be teaching aggressive trade. I want to teach people that are calm, entry with precision type of thing. So in this case, I'm not going to take this, but I'll take it when it's above the green, above the purple line, and there is arrow underneath. And still move to continuation, still move to the top. Will you make money here? Of course, you're still gonna make you $50 a day or more. Doing one micro, if you do 2 micro, this is $75 to $100.
Yep. Yep.
So that's it.
I love it. No, and that's it. I love that the way you explain that
Yeah,
too, because
don't want to relax, don't want to be greedy and stuff like that.
yeah.
And we want to build this because our actual money will be in our business model, which is the multi-level marketing model. That's the goal thing. So we're going to create a lot of thousands of people making $500 to $1,000 every month extra on their side, and we're going to help them build the team that is eventually going to set them financial free down the road. That's the plan.
Yeah, you
Because
build a
if
story
if
like
you're thinking like you want to trade to be you're gonna be making millionaire. It's gonna take you a while. But if you build a business and making money $1,000, $2,000 every month on doing this, you're gonna achieve your goal faster than just trading.
Yep, I like
That's
that.
how I look at it.
Yep, I like that, Henry. You're setting a beautiful story up where we're changing lives with a $500 to $1,000 a month if they pay attention to what the training, like what you're saying.
Yeah.
With that story, we can absolutely explode the affiliate side of this thing.
Yeah. Because so many people out there are looking for $400, $500 a month, and people give them empty promises.
Yep, and compliantly, like you said, and without this thing being taken away from us and ripped down by whoever in 6 months, right?
Yeah.
So we can have something longevity wise. I love it. Yep.
Yeah, I'm part of because I'm searching for something, right? So I'm part of these people that say, okay, we're gonna do and buy this. I buy it, and after that, you are on your own.
Yep.
Here we don't leave them. They come to class every day actually. Now some of them twice a day, just like me, and 6 o'clock class is two times class today. It might be 3 or 4 classes down the road. So imagine this company providing classes multiple times a day, man. This is awesome.
No, that's what I was thinking. I'm glad you said that, because that's what's going through my mind, right? Is man, what if there's like 2, 3 or 4 or 5 or 1 every hour in the future, whatever it is. Yeah.
So it's soon down the road, man. Look at this. One trader is live in every time zone, globally.
Yeah. That's what I'm kind of thinking and strategizing as Sherry goes as my how do I say that, as our business team, business partners in Dallas, at different places around the world and country. We're setting it up so that we've got people, as soon as we release this, they'll be able to do it in different time zones and get really good at this as well. Yeah.
Exactly.
Super cool.
Exactly.
For guys like me that aren't as smart as you guys, it's really cool to be able. This is a connecting the whole affiliate. Just don't over explain it. Point share. Just get people to the trainings, the live deals. Yeah.
I mean, look at this. When they start this, I start this last Friday, and it's because of my what you call it? I'm not so aggressive on this. I wait until everything aligned to enter, and it's like 100% correct.
I
100%
know.
correct.
That's what I'm seeing. It looks like this thing is just on target a lot of
Yeah.
the time,
Yeah.
most of the time.
So no over analyzing, no nothing. We move based on the move of the candles and stuff like that. And this thing is amazing. It's created automatically. So let's say this one is breaking. Let's say this blue candle is breaking this red line. You will see the candle that breaking this line will have another red line. He's pushing the line like that. And he's gonna drag all this line underneath them, moving up. It's like amazing. I never seen stuff like that. Just like here, look at this. This red line, it was here, right?
Mm-hmm.
But this candle pushed it to the top. So what happened? It pulled this new Fibonacci, creating a new Fibonacci line along with it. Because this movement is going to create another Fibonacci that is going to, like this one, look at this. This is Fibonacci, previous Fibonacci. When this thing is moved, this thing is also moved closer to the previous Fibonacci, see? Yeah, it's kind of closer to it. It kind of give us where is this price
Wow.
action in previous. This is from here is New York session. From here is no, I think this is Asian session here. This is Asian. It's from yesterday. From here is Asian. From here to 6:30 is New York, US time from here. So it's monitor this Fibonacci monitor. We can monitor London time and Asian time.
Oh, it's doing all of different. Oh, wow.
Yeah. This is previous day at high and lows here, Fibonacci high and lows. So we can see it right here. So we can adjust it. I wish this candle right now will break this red, and you can see it start making a new red line underneath. And as it progress, the red line continue to expand to the right. And so all these lines.
Cool. Looks like Jordan has a question.
Who's this?
Jordan has a question in the chat. He can't
I
talk.
didn't even look at the chat. Go ahead. Why don't you just say your question?
Well, he can't. He's on mute probably. He's probably on the phone. I'll just read it for you. He says, so you don't have to manually adjust as you go. Henry, do you trade Forex with FX3 as well?
Oh, good question.
Oh, he can't unmute himself is what he said. He can't talk. He's trying to unmute.
He can unmute. Let me see.
Jordan, yeah.
Who is that? Jordan?
Yes, sir.
Let me see.
There we go. Can you guys hear me?
There he is.
Yeah, I hear you now.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, I wasn't able to unmute myself a few minutes ago. So yeah, no, this is super cool. I've just been watching kind of like a fly on the wall for the last hour or so here. I'm busy doing my day job right now, so I kind of got you guys going on speaker off to the side here, but chiming in every once in a while. The question I had was, do you also trade Forex with FX3 as well, Henry, or just doing the futures for now?
Right now, I'm just futures, but in my other account, I do Forex and all other stuff.
Gotcha. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't ventured into the Forex side of things because I kind of figured to just stick with the futures for now, just because there's lots to learn, and then probably upgrade into Forex a little bit down the road.
Yeah. I've been doing Forex. Well, I started with Forex. I'm part of this group that I pay, and we have session 4 times a week. But these people are just teaching. They don't have they don't necessarily take trade. We're just teaching and teaching.
Just
but
teach
but
the
sometimes
theory
when
side
the
of it.
moment is right, I buy Forex. I buy gold, I buy stuff, other stuff. Yeah.
So this system works with everything as long as the allows it to be with us.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Basically, yes.
That's why you posted the other stuff last night that I'm not naming yet, but it's in
Yes.
our group. Right. I got it.
Yes.
Okay.
We might just tweak it a little bit, but this system will work on all of them.
If it's on, if it's attached to one of the Ninja Trader or the the CME or whatever, and yeah, I got you. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
It does everything.
yeah,
You need it.
yeah. We just want to wait for our CEO to open the floodgate.
I know, Jordan. This is cool, man. This is what we were waiting for, brother.
Absolutely. Yeah. Like last month, I kind of hit the brakes on everything just because the old trading account kind of got hammered in February there. So it's been really kind of like a breath of fresh air introducing this trading room throughout the day for day trading with a way more conservative approach. Because I find in the mornings when I'm trading with Juan, I get pretty nervous with those big, 50-point stops. And, I found that I was switching myself over to demo quite a bit. So this is really nice.
Well, and once you learn this system, I'm always going to be learning. I'm not as savvy as you guys at all. I'm a marketer, right? I'm a builder. But
Yeah.
once you learn this, and like he said, if he's going for milk or one of the trainer, once you learn the 3 different points, the yellow line at the bottom, the purple, and I don't know the names, so whatever, but I get it. And the buy, wait for the next. Anyway, once you get it, it is simple, man. So it's cool. You don't need a big guru,
No.
once you get it. So.
Look at this, guys. This thing, let me just minimize it. What we have here at Future3X, we are set for good, in this family of our business people here.
Yes.
This is amazing what we put together here. In the beginning, I was just like, when I started in January, I'll be making money every day at 6:30. In February, it was like Jordan said, it cleaned my bank.
Yes, sir.
And then I said, no, I gotta do my own stuff. And then I look at my other classes and stuff like that. I said, I gotta develop my own tools, and I just want to follow my own tools. And I start putting things together, and our CEO noticed it. That's why we are here right now. But look at this system, man.
Yeah, I kind of feel like you built like a really nice safety blanket.
Yeah. You can develop your own
Jordan,
system
right?
too.
Yep.
You can develop your own system too, but down the road, this is this basic right now we have. If you want to develop this to a better one, good. We love it. But right now, let's say you don't have anything to add to it, just do this one. Like I said, whenever you see buy and buying arrow underneath, look at to the left. It never fail. It never fail.
It doesn't.
You wait for the blue candle. You wait for the blue candle to cross the next Fibonacci line and then get into your buy.
Yeah, you never fail, man. You never fail.
And then wait for the green curve to kind of flatten out, and then you sell.
And I'm part of at least 2 groups that I go to training, watch them. Nobody offer what we offer like this. It's clean, colorful. Even a kindergarten can do this.
Even I can do it. I love it.
So
Hey, Henry.
This is
Henry,
what we have in our hand, and look at this. Look at this. I'm just gonna cut you quick. When this candle break this, you will see the red line is gonna be pushed. You're gonna create another dot. It's gonna be a dot first, and then the next line is gonna be more and more. It's gonna create a line, but you will see when this is break it.
So when that blue candle crosses that top red line, that would be our buy signal.
And on the retest, see, look at this red line. You see this kind of red here? Now I see a green forming.
Yeah.
I'll see this. The next candle is gonna push this red line. Watch. The next candle is gonna create a new line, a red. Look at it. It touch it. It's gonna go over it. The buy signal is there.
So now is a good buy time.
No, no. On the retest,
He's gonna wait
on
for the one
retest
more.
on the red. See, like here, you go above it, retest on the red, next blue, you take it. Even after the next blue, you still have a retest. See, this will be a good buy after the green arrow. After the when you pass this, when you see the green buy power or buy arrow here, that's when you do that. Right now it has buy, it has that one, both of them down here, but we needed that above here.
That's kind of like our last confirmation.
Yes. Like I said earlier, when I point your attention here, you could be an aggressive trader right now. You can buy. You can see. Can you see that one? The line is created. It's
Order
pushing
filled.
it. See this green line? It's
Oh
pushing
yeah,
it.
it's just starting.
It just started. So this one, because this candle is in the way of this red candle, is gonna create that the same thing here. So you know, we are going to the top. That's what it meant here. We're creating a new high now. And then you will see this line gonna be like this above the previous line. Because this is the 50 Fibonacci line. This is critical Fibonacci line. It's always come back to this. Look.
Target filled.
Okay, pass it. It should be a red candle, few red candles down there, down here. And then you will see a confirmation of green. Then you take it. And then above it, there is no Fibonacci line yet. But it will be like this one. This candle will always carry this red line to the top. So it will continue to bring it. And there is going to be all these candles. I mean, the line will be created below it to ask their support should they come back down.
Gotcha.
See, if you're an aggressive trader, you take this trade, but I'm not aggressive trader. I'm not going to teach you to be an aggressive. I want you to be relaxed, calm, no pressure mentality every day.
Henry, this is Brett. I have a quick question.
Hi, Brett, go ahead.
Hey, so when you say you get out of the trade, are you actually moving your target down, or are you hitting the close button?
I put the stop loss close to the current price. So whatever happened, I move the take profit high as I want. Let's say I'm in profit from here, right? Because let's say I enter because the confirmation is here, this green arrow, and I enter. Let's say here, and then I wanna do something. Say this thing is moving so slow. I put my stop loss from here to the break even or 2 point. And then I put the take profit high because you never know how high this thing could go, right?
Right.
So if you hit the stop loss, I mean, it's like $2-3, but you're not negative. But when it goes higher, and then 2 hours later, you see this move from here to here, all of a sudden you see $200 in your account, and you say, yay. Yeah.
So you actually never use the close button on the right?
I do, but I did, and people do that too because they want to close it. But at 3 o'clock, is it 3 o'clock? Is it at 2 o'clock our time? 5 o'clock? I forgot what time the market closed in New York. Is it 3 or 5 o'clock, Sam? Yeah, let's say 5. I always close my trade 2 o'clock Pacific time. So what I do, if I have time, I move my stop loss very close to the candle, to the tip of the candle.
Okay.
If we hit it, or at 2 o'clock, I said close it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, red candle, blue candle. You see the red above the, see the red? It's red. I think it's supposed to be a line above it. Yeah, this red will always be push it to the top. See right now is it breaks it. It breaks the red line, right? This is considered a retest right now. A retest. sometimes this candle is going to go below this line again, below this Fibonacci line. This is 100% Fibonacci right now. Sometimes it goes above it. Now it's breaking. For sure, it's already breaking. Now it's going to go above it. It's going to retest this line. The buy signal is there already. And you will see this momentum kind of close to the green, just like you see here, right? And then when they start making move to the top like this, and you see the arrow printed in one of the candle above this red line, that's when we enter the trade. Did you attend the class earlier, Brett? 6:30?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Yeah, I
Did you
did.
go live or you
I
just,
did. I did. I did well.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Look at this. Everybody should be making some money from it. Look at this. This is 6:30. I mean, it'll never go down. But I don't wake up 6:30. No, I said I don't want to wake up 6:30 in the morning. It's too late for me because I don't go back. I go to bed at like 3 o'clock in the morning every day.
I'm gonna have to step away, Henry. I'm so excited about this, and I appreciate all that you're doing.
Good, man.
So
I mean, you're
thank
already
you,
making
guys.
money though. So this is just like another additional knowledge for you down the road when you trade.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, you have a good day, sir.
You too.
I see Yvonne here. How are you, Yvonne, this morning? She's probably not there. I see my friend here, Roger. Unmute yourself, Roger. Talk to me.
Hi, Henry.
Hey, how are you?
I'm just listening, soaking everything in like a sponge.
All right.
I'm afraid to
Yeah,
say
this
anything
morning.
because I'm a newbie and I'm a beginner.
Yeah.
But thank you very much, Henry.
Yeah, I saw you posting something. You posted it this morning. This is good. I'm glad.
Yeah, with Carlos. Yeah,
Good.
this went up and up. The momentum was incredible.
Yeah, imagine if you stay there until 15 minutes or 20 minutes later, you should be making more. Yeah, but what happened is, yeah, you set your target, you get your money, and that's it. And do it again
Right.
tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm being conservative in the beginning.
That's good. That's good.
And
That's good. That's good. Yeah, look, this doing the retest right now. This is a big retest. The next candle is gonna be, I'm assuming it's gonna be blue candle. And then we'll just wait for the green arrow, green buying arrow, green buying arrow somewhere in here. It could happen in the next candle. It could happen in the next 2-3 candles. And the momentum has to be pointing up, just like here. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I think this market is gonna slow. See that one, Anthony? See this red line already? This is the new Fibonacci line. See, this is Fibonacci line. It's creating a new Fibonacci line. See, you guys see this one? All this dot is going to be a new Fibonacci line. See, it hitting the next high. It's hitting the next high. This is the next high, and it retested. Now it's going back down. See, it's going to go down. That's why I said don't enter yet without confirmation. See, there will be confirmation down here because right now this is this candle creating the new Fibonacci line, as you can see here. See, this is a new Fibonacci. It might look like a dot right now, but it's going to be a Fibonacci line, the new one created. So what happened when you see Fibonacci created above the previous, just like here, this Fibonacci created above the previous, yeah, this previous, this one is previous, you know, it's an uptrend market. That's another confirmation that, you know, the market is going to continue up. But right now, how much up, we don't know. But it's definitely continuation of the trend to the top. Yeah. And then if this candle turn blue and it's going to continue, it will push this Fibonacci higher, 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 higher. And this Fibonacci line is going to be the retracement, you know, like this one, like this one. They go from here, top, it goes to retrace. Sometimes it hits the previous Fibonacci, but sometimes it's just like halfway and continue up. In this case, it never returned to previous one. In here, it goes halfway up the Fibonacci and return almost touching the previous one and continue on. And then when it hit the high and you go back halfway to the Fibonacci line, continue on. So right now, look at this. This is continue, the next candle blue is gonna push this Fibonacci line higher, 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 just like it did here. This red, it was here. Previously, this red was here. This candle right here, it keep pushing them higher, higher, higher. And it's doing the same thing right here. Okay, if the next candle is blue and this is higher, you will see the buy signal arrow here, the green arrow. Then, of course, it's going to be close above this 21 moving average, and you see the momentum pointing up is a safe way to trade. And then take your 28 points and be done for today. Because in the video in our back office, the take profit is 28. So we stick to that one. I think when I look at it, when everything is confirmed, it always hit it. As soon as you hit it, close the trade, be happy. You know, if you have 1 micro, that's supposed to be like what, 15, 17 bucks. When you have 2 micro, that will be double it. When you have 3 micro, that will be at least $60 to $70 for each move. But we don't focus on 2 or 3 micro right now. I'm thinking of start doing 2 micro maybe in June. So we're gonna double our trade size in June. You know, right now focus on 1 micro, keep winning on 1 micro, and in June we're gonna keep winning on 2 micro. A month later we're gonna 3 micro, and then who knows how many micro we're gonna trade next year. See, if we're winning in 1 micro, you're gonna be winning in 10 micro. That's what I'm trying to tell you. But we're gonna move there slowly, gradually, with confidence. All right, let me see. I'm trying to find how to read this, to read the note. I just found out how to read it. Let me see. Oh, Sal was asking earlier at 8:11 what I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm looking at MNQ. I always do MNQ, nothing else. I want to focus on one thing and be good at it before I be able to look to spend time on other stuff. I talked to Brett, Yvonne, thank you, Yvonne. Jordan, thank you. Yeah.
Oh, mañana es cuando hacen el
Tomorrow,
cambio de
the question
compensación,
is,
¿verdad?
what time? It won't say what time frame we have. I have on chart. Always on 5 minutes. So every time I do this, it's always on 5-minute charts. Okay, look at this. It's solid blue candle. This blue candle will push this new Fibonacci line. And you will see green arrow, buying arrow right here at the close of this candle. And it's close above the purple line, of course. And momentum is pointing up. So look at that, it pushed it, it passed the red. When this thing closed in 14 seconds, it will print a green buy area right below here. So this is kind of nice. You can kind of predict it. You can kind of predict it, let it play, and you can be amazing. Wow, it's so accurate. And then you enter. But what happened though, because this thing many times happened, as soon as you enter, everything confirmed, it went down. And oh no. So let's say you enter here and the next printed candle, right? Where's your stop loss? Okay. My stop loss will be right in here. Right
Order filled.
I know in 1 micro it's going to be a big one, but if you put a stop loss here, you might hit it. But here, most likely 75% it will never go past this line because we are on the trend up. If we hit it here, then definitely we are going to be in the sell situation, sell bias until it hits the 50 Fibonacci. Yeah, but this one is not supposed to be doing that one because it's trending up. It's not supposed to be hitting the last low. It's supposed to be creating low, high, low, high, low, high, low, higher. This is kind of similar from here to here. So this one is supposed to create, this next green is supposed to be higher, higher. If it breaks it, then it's invalid. I mean, it's changing the direction. So right now, that's why I'm not so aggressive. It's going to break this Fibonacci line, the 100%. It's doing that one. This is hard Fibonacci to break, and it's breaking it right now. So the momentum is building up to go to the next created Fibonacci line. If I can switch this back and forth. But if you look at in the 15 minutes Fibonacci line, target will be, you will see this other Fibonacci line is higher than that one. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay. Let me just minimize the screen. See, look at my my cursor. See, this is the current Fibonacci line, right? See, there is a Fibonacci line right here, and it's exactly where it is right now. You guys see that one? See, this is Fibonacci line, this yellow one, Fibonacci line. See, it's hitting that already right now. Okay. When I zoom in, you don't see all this Fibonacci on the left, right? So right now, it's already hitting this yellow one on the left. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of Fibonacci on the other side too. But right now, the next target Fibonacci will be here, this next green. See, this is going to be the next Fibonacci line. And after that, there will be another Fibonacci line that he's trying to reach right here. And then the last one will be right here. So we'll be on the next Fibonacci, the last high in April, in March, will be right here at the price of 13,172. That's where it's heading. But it's going to make a lot of move toward that one. So that's the eventual goal of this, the trend. See, as I zoom in, you can see it's creating new high. This is even higher again than the previous one. Okay, it's not solid yet, but one soon is gonna be all solid together. See this, the new Fibonacci, see that one? But this one, the 50 moving, the 50 Fibonacci line, it start to have a solid line. Yeah. See, as soon as we see green arrow to buy on this one, that's when we enter. Right now, it's not confirmed yet. We know it's going up, but it's not confirmed to buy. If you're an aggressive trader, yeah, you enter, you make some money already, but we don't teach you that here. Okay, guys, do you have any more question? We are an hour and 21 minutes into the class. If you have question, unmute yourself, and if I can answer it, I will answer it. Okay, guys. If you don't have any more question, I know everybody make money this morning. I think we need to wrap this class. And again, thank you for your question, input, ideas. And if you should take this straight after the class, please go back to the rules. Make sure you enter within the rules. But if you already have reached your goal today, you're in profit, just take it and relax. Just do demo after this. Practice your knowledge on a demo, and I mean, everybody make money this morning, so that's it. It's a good day, and I will see you Friday. And some of you might see each other again in the 6:30 class tomorrow, Pacific, and we'll see. Please post your result and keep the momentum up. Everybody's happy when you see a lot of positive attitude in the market. And that's it. Who's this? Hi, Sal. You have question or you just want to close it? This is going, I think what the CEO said, this will be available
Target
in class
filled.
only. But whether we're going to have class every day, that will be the thinking of right now. But this software, it will be displayed in the classroom. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah, but the idea is we're gonna have a live trading. Right now we're doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If the people want it, maybe we can do this every day, and we go to the class, we
Stop
talk,
filled.
we learn, we see a good trading, we enter together, and yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Thank you, Sal. Okay, if there's no more other question, I'm gonna stop the Zoom call. And I thank everybody. I'll say have a good day. Do some positive things today and see you Friday. Goodbye, everybody.